Welcome to your A1 English listening practice today. Hello, friends. Welcome to English with us. Today we learn a small word. This word is very important. One small error changes everything. Can change your meaning. Can change your story. Today we study small words. We study how they work. This is an A1 lesson. It is easy and fun. Let us start our lesson now. Are you ready? Let us go. I have a story. It is a small story. A man is at a cafe. He is with a friend. He says, "I am happy. This is good." But he says, "I was happy." Oh no. I was happy means he is not happy now. Was is for the past. The past is time before now. He is sad now. The friend is confused. The friend asks, "Why?" The man says, "I am happy." The friend says, "You said you were happy." One small word changes the feeling. Do you understand? Am is now. Was is the past. It is a big difference. Let us look at am and with. Am is present. Present means now. I am a teacher. This is true now. Was is past. Past means before. I was a student. This was before. Do you see? We use am for today. We use was for yesterday. Yesterday is the past. It is finished. The past is gone. Let us practice. I am hungry. This means I want food now. I was hungry. This means I ate food. I am not hungry now. Is this clear? Small words are very strong. They tell us the time. Time is very important in English. Now let us look at do and does. These are small words too. They are tricky. I do my work. This is easy. He does his work. This is also easy. But many people make mistakes. They say, he do his work. This is wrong. Does is for he, she, and it. He, she, it. Remember this. He, she, it. She does her homework. It does not work. Do you understand? This is a common mistake. Do not worry. It is okay. We practice many times. We learn together. Listen to the sound. Does has an S sound. It is a small sound but important. Small words have big power. They show real meaning. They show time. They show people. They show truth. Think about the word not. I am happy. This is good. I am not happy. This is bad. The word not changes the whole feeling. It is a small word, but it is a powerful word. We call this meaning. Meaning is the message. If you use the wrong small word, the message changes. This is why we study them. We study to understand the message. Do you see the power? One small word can change a happy story to a sad story. It is magic. Let us review our lesson. Today we learned about small words. We learned am and was. Am is now. Was is the past. We learned about do and does. We use does for he, she, and it. We learned that small words change meaning. One small word is very important. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. You are doing a great job. Practice these words every day. Use them in your life. Speak them out loud. Listen to English every day. You will be very good. I am very proud of you. Keep studying hard. Great job today. Today we learned was do and does. Please listen to this video again. Listen many times. It helps your brain. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow English with us. See you in the next one.